These are weird bird sounds you've probably never heard before. And the last one sounds like a yapping lady. First, the Siberian crane. Long, echoing calls that sound like a rusty trumpet. Second, the greater sage grouse. Popping, bubbling chest noises straight out of a cartoon. Third, the Awebo bird. Sharp, unexpected calls that don't even sound real. Fourth, the kiwi. Tiny bird, surprisingly piercing scream in the night. Hold up, if this cat made you smile, like and subscribe. Comment heart if you love animals. And finally, the American woodcock. Strange peents and sky whistles that sound like a laser show.